What is up, people? This is Kamle, your sneaker guy. And guys, yes, I am very much excited because in this video I'm going to show you three sneakers, three Nike sneakers which you can buy instead of Air Force and Jordans. Because most of the time people come to me and they ask me, bro, I really want to buy a Nike sneaker. I have a budget of 10,000 rupees, but I don't like Jordans. Should I go for Dunks? Should I go for Air Force? And sometimes they are like, I don't like Air Force, I want to go for Dunks and Jordans. They only have this three options, but I have got you more three different options you can definitely go for. Definitely check it out because Nike has introduced these three options lately, I believe, in this recent years. So I believe they are fire and I think you should know about them. So let's go. So the first sneaker on this list, and it is in a beat up box. I have shown you guys the sneaker in a lot of videos. I really want you guys to definitely try the sneaker out, and that is the reason I am showing it to you guys again. So let's open it. So this is Nike Full Force Low, a low top retro basketball sneaker from Nike which looks fantastic. This particular sneaker is available in multiple different colors: white, blue, white, red, black, brown, white, and more other color options. You can definitely try this pair. This is comfortable, this fits true to size and will definitely fit your budget. This particular pair costed me 6,200 rupees and maybe you can get it around that price as well. This is a really high quality pair, very versatile if you choose a right color, and you can definitely rock this pair to college or office if you are in one. Now moving to the next sneaker on this list, and it says Nike SB. It comes in this Nike SB box. It is pretty clean and I like that. So this is Nike SB Zoom Blazer Pro GT, a really long name, and at the end it sounds like a car, but it is not. So basically this is a Nike Blazer Low made for skateboarders. It has suede material in the first half of the sneaker and that gum midsole. Suede material because SB sneakers have it, and gum midsole to increase the durability. So yes, this is a very clean sneaker, very versatile. Even if you are not a skateboarder, this is a great sneaker for you. It really has decent comfort, it fits true to size and will cost you 6,999 rupees. Again under 7,000 rupees. If you want to check it out, check the description. Now moving to the next sneaker on this list, and let's unbox it. So this is Nike City, a very beautiful silhouette with suede and mesh upper. It has a very futuristic design and retro feel to it. This is a very lightweight sneaker compared to any other sneaker on this list. It is really damn comfortable. It will definitely fit true to size. I just love how the sneaker looks, and even this sneaker comes in a lot of different colorways. So you will definitely find something you like. This particular sneaker also has a crazy outsole and I just love it. And you can get this sneaker for 6,899 rupees, again under 7,000 rupees. Each and every sneaker on this list is under 7,000. I have got this sneaker from Amazon Great Freedom Festival sale, and it is live right now from 1st to 6th of August. You can go and check it out right now. You can definitely get some crazy deals out there. And if you are a college student and if you want to know 5 fashion essentials you need, watch this video here. And with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.